this video I'm going to show you how to set up zoom style in macOS. First, you have to open up system settings, and here it opens up in general. From here we just click on accessibility, and then here we have zoom, and here we have zoom style. We can select full screen, split screen, picture in picture, and then here we can set up size and location. Say like this. And then if we zoom, it's going to zoom just like this, picture in picture. If we set up split screen, it's going to move the zoom place to one of the screens, like this. Or if we just leave it full screen, it's going to zoom full screen. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.